ladies, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, trust me, I know, I'm well aware, but I wanted to make up for lost time and bring you guys a valuable video, which is a protein fruit smoothie for any women that are trying to get gains, whether that's in the lower body like so, or just to gain some healthy weight, because I get questions and inquiries from women of all different walks of life who are really just trying to build up their strength, build their assets and things of that nature, and these will really help. So I wanted to walk you through one of my favorite smoothies. I've been drinking this once per day, especially right now because I'm not really working out and lifting as much this next week because it's my birthday week. I'm busy and I'm not trying to ruin my hair. As you can see, I just got it done. Hope you like it. So I'm not trying to sweat as much, but I don't want to lose my gains or my size. So I'm going to use this to try to maintenance what I've done over the past several weeks as I've been trying to really get my body together for my birthday. I just had a photo shoot yesterday. So yeah, that's kind of where I am. So yes, let's go ahead with no further ado, get into this recipe. All right, so what you're gonna need is some frozen fruit. Right here I have frozen strawberries, blueberries, and bananas that I cut up earlier this week. Some almond milk. We're going to use the First Formula Whey Isolate Protein. This is in chocolate mint cookie. The flavor does matter. This is awesome. Shout out to Formula One for this one. This is going to be our additive. You can choose between anything like a seed or a nut butter. It's up to you. I'm going to put a little bit of pumpkin seeds in here. As you can see, this is high in protein, good source of protein, as well as the peanut butter. So it's up to you. And that's all we're going to use today. Okay, ladies, so it really all depends on how much you're trying to make. Normally, I just eyeball the amount of fruit that I want to put in. This is a mixed berry smoothie that I'm making, so it's blueberries, bananas, and strawberries. As you will see, I will be filtering out and adding a little bit more strawberry to it for my liking, and you can do this as well. It just all depends on what your preference is. So I'll mix about that much in there. Next, I'll grab the almond milk, which I have in the vanilla flavor, and that flavor is awesome. And I am going to pour about a little under a cup in there, as well as add my protein supplement, just a scoop, which has about 20 grams of protein in it and only about 100 calories. So it's very awesome. It's also low in carbs, which you'll want to offset the carbs that are in the almond milk, right? I will be adding pumpkin seeds. You can use peanut butter. I prefer not to use the peanut butter with this one because I don't want it to offset the taste. So I'll be adding a little bit of pumpkin seeds, not a whole lot, because I already have the protein from the protein supplement powder. From there, I'll screw on the top. And FYI, I am using the NutriBullet standard. It's 600 watts and it gets the job done very, very well. I like it because it's low impact, but it gets the job done, like I said, and it's compact. So you can put it off to the side. It doesn't take a whole lot of space. It's not bulky, but it is really going to crush up those frozen fruits and get everything mixed together. You don't want to forget to check the consistency of your smoothie as you go along. And there you have it. This one I can tell is a little thick. Well, it's not too bad. Not too bad. And this is how she looks. Super delicious. And from here, you can pour up your fruit smoothie into a cup and bon appetit. All right, ladies, and that is it. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm looking forward to seeing your smoothie recipes. What is your favorite smoothie recipe? Make sure you drop it in the comments below. Like and subscribe this video so I can know what videos you guys want me to upload next. It also helps support and push my channel, and I appreciate it greatly. And I'm looking forward to delivering more content for you guys soon. If you're looking for fitness products such as booty bands, sweat belts, hot sweating cream, make sure you visit the link in my description box to my website, and you guys will be on your way. I will see you guys in the next video.